SafePro's in-flight AI-powered threat detection technology is now embedded into the Red Cat Black Widow drone with integration into ATAK. Embedded directly onto the Black Widow, in-flight enables the rapid identification and location of more than 150 types of explosive threats, including landmines, anti-personnel mines, cluster munitions, and ambush FPV drones in real time. With in-flight, drone operators can identify threats in real time, directly from the Black Widow, and push those detections into ATAK. Operators can even simply select which threats they would like to share via the ATAK notification capability or which they want to ignore. To learn more about in-flight or any of our AI-powered solutions designed to enhance and accelerate decision-making critical to mission success, please contact us.